I have to admit to you, I am not a motorcycle rider. Yet.
This day is for us to be at the wall and to salute those people that were there for us when we were there, you know. That's the whole emotion, the whole feeling behind the thing.
Fallen heroes never die. They live on and on in our hearts and minds. Sons and daughters, not raining, so brave and true. We will always remember you. Fallen heroes. Never die.
Each year, thousands of riders join together to show their support for the men and women who have fought for our country. The Illinois Motorcycle Freedom Run and the Middle East Conflicts Memorial Wall pay tribute to our country's fallen heroes.
In the silence, our heads are bowed. Our hearts are oh so sad, but we are proud. Fallen heroes.
I'm proud to be in this thing today. Very proud.
Never die.
Motorcyclists from across the country join the ride to support this cause, to support the memorial wall, and most of all, to support the families of those who have paid the ultimate sacrifice.
The lights, so that we can live. In a world of peace and harmony.
With no paid employees, the Illinois Motorcycle Freedom Run is driven entirely by volunteers. Each volunteer gives of themselves, from the board of directors to those working at the event, to honor the fallen heroes.